Welcome to the channel. I am sitting in a beautiful new brown leather chair by FlexiSpot, and I gotta tell you, it is nice. It is very nice. So I wanted to show you a little bit about this chair. But first of all, this chair is the FlexiSpot XL6. And it can be delivered directly to your door no matter where you live. It will come in two boxes. The sides and the back come in one box. And then the base, which has the dual motors, that's right, dual motors, that will come in a separate box. And within 15-20 minutes, you have everything together, very simple, and you're enjoying the chair. So let me show you about these dual motors. What that means is it is capable of having two separate controls. One for the back is what you see moving there. This is the remote. And forward. Backwards, forward. You can also control the legs separately. So having that independent feature makes it even better. So as you can see, let me demonstrate how it reclines. Okay, there's the feet fully extended. Now if I want to go back, this thing will ease me back. Still going. And if you like to sleep in your recliner like I do, I sleep in my recliner every night. Well, this feature is practically like a bed. Now this is probably a lot farther than I would go. This would not be comfortable to me, but for you it may be. I'm more of a inclined person when it comes to sleeping. And right about here would be where I would be comfortable sleeping. But everybody is different, so we don't know. You know, you just have to get in the chair and check it out. Now, if you have elderly people, people that are disabled, that have problems with their back like I do, these kind of chairs are great. We're going to demonstrate. Let me get the lower part down. This chair will practically lift you right out of it. And we're going to do that here in a second. So I'm putting the leg part down, and this will raise me up into almost a standing position, which makes it very good if my back is down or I'm in pain. Here we go. Now for me, this position would be the easiest to get out of, but if I was in pain, I might want to go a little higher to make it easier to get up. As you can see, now I just simply stand up. And that's all there is to it. Now they've also thrown in this little handy pillow, which I love. I'll show you what I do with that. I like to take this pillow, put it underneath my knees. That just gives me a nice comfortable position. But you can use this pillow, put it behind your head, whatever you need to do. But if you don't want to use the pillow, I will show you another feature. The back also has a three-way position. You just simply push it forward. And to get it back, you just push it forward again. So let me demonstrate that again. First position, second position, third position, and back upright. And if all that wasn't enough, they had to include heat and massage. You can gently massage your legs, you can massage your thighs, and it also does the back. And it also is heated. That is another feature I love. And it does this in all positions that you have the recliner. It also has these handy pockets on the side that you can store your controls. All right. If you check the description, you will see a discount code for this chair. For the quality of a chair you get for under $500, you just can't go wrong with it. So I encourage all of you to check it out. I will also include a link to their website. They have many other products that you may be interested in, such as, there's several different styles of recliner. They have other products like office chairs and things like that. So I would like to thank FlexiSpot for providing me this chair, and maybe you would be interested in one as well. Check that description. Happy trails.